In this video, we will show how to create our first agent. To do this, we click on Create Agent, and this menu opens up. Here, the first thing to do will be to put the name of our agent and choose what type of agent we are going to use. An inbound agent who will receive calls and answer, or an outbound agent who will be the one that, through a list of phone numbers that we provide to make the call. We can establish the maximum duration of the call between 1 minute and 30 minutes. Then we choose what type of intelligence we are going to use in the agent. The standard with a prompt or the CAN Bassett, which is more advanced because we can provide people with different documents such as spreadsheets, TXT CSV files, etc. Once this is done, we will connect the automatic answering machine detection so that, in case people detect that this is an automatic caller responding to them, immediately stop the call, and we can also activate the ambient office sound too, to make the call seem more realistic. We can also set it up to say if the call fails for any reason. A callback can be made. A callback every 30 minutes. Here what we can establish is the delay in millisecond between 0 and 5,000 milliseconds in which the agent will start to speak. And finally, we have the option to paste a webhook from 1/3 platforms, such as Make or N8N. Zapier. That when people finish the call, it will send all the call data so it can be handled on such platforms. Once this is done, we will be able to choose the language with which our people will communicate. We have different languages, the speed at which the agent will speak, and the voice that the agent will have, either female or male, the accent it will have, etc. We can also clone our own voice. Once this is done, we move to the screen where we configure the prompt. We have several preset options. In the green message, we will put a short introduction of 2 to 3 sentences with which the agent initiates the conversation, and in the prompt, the instructions the agent will follow. Once this is done, we can move on to the type of variables that we can also provide to people in the Pro. Schedule me, appointment for that city, etc. All this placed in the prompt. If we have pre-established it beforehand, the agent will use it as a variable and will not say the same thing every time. If there are different addresses, that sometimes it will provide a different address. If there are different dates, it will say a different date, etc. Here we can connect our Google Calendar so that people can make appointments directly. In a previous video, we explained how to connect our Google Calendar if you came to this video directly and you don't know how to connect Google Calendar. It is done from a screen prior to this one, and there is a video that explains how to do it, as we already have it configured. We select here, and it connects to Google Calendar, the accounts we have right now. Optimize to connect to the agent. We choose the one that we want. We want it done. No longer need to use the agent. If an appointment has been scheduled, the agent will automatically log it and check that the day and time are available to make the input. We can also extract information from the agent to be used later. How do we do this if we add a field and put, for example, appointment? and the agent will hold a date for an appointment that may be that the agent has created the transcription. Once this is all done, we click to create the agent. And we will already have our first agent here. To make a call without sending any data, we simply place the phone number here. We click to dial, and the agent will initiate a call. In Contacts, we can select a CSV file, and the agent will detect it. It will tell you if there is any problem, etc. Everything will come out here. Okay. Email format. This means that there is an email that is not well formatted. It needs to be reviewed, etc. Once everything has been reviewed, we click Start Call, and the agent will initiate the call. There's a 1/3 option that is via Zapier integration, which is a more advanced option that you can see how to do in other videos.